Where's that lift? Over there.
You'll see it.
Got ourselves another lift. Should be fun cleaning that out, huh?
Alright, so as you can see, we're not in our normal garage. Last night we were gonna film video number, what was it, 9?
8 or 9, something like that.
Somewhere in there. We started talking about we're moving a little bit too fast. We were gonna tear apart the bike, get it into paint and whatnot, do all this fun stuff. Started talking, going too fast. Yeah, I said that already. But we came across another lift that's buried right now. So we're gonna get this other lift so we can get other Harleys on that we normally ride throughout the summer, get them ready because summer's right around the corner, and our dirt bikes up there, and just give you guys a little bit more content as we go.
A little different aspect of content.
Yeah. So let's get it.
Got plenty to do. Questions, comments, concerns.
Or type.
Questions, comments, concerns.
It'll look great when it's done.
Thanks for the enthusiasm. What are you doing?
Clean off oil spills from the last car that was here.
Okay. Shoot it down the driveway, not at the dually.
I was looking at that.
Sprayed in the face. Look at that dope hoodie though. Pretty exciting. A little sun faded, but it a butt. Also got the old chipper going over there. Or not chipper, wood splitter. Love having fires in the house. Right. They just paid on me. Good? bed.
Since we got it all nice, clean, sprayed off, all the dirt off of it from being outside, we're gonna let it sit out and dry, and tomorrow we'll go get new paint for it.
Gonna cut a hole in the center to do our oil changes, right where that cover is. Weld on some
Braces.
yeah, braces, so we can put the cover back in it, and it also has some support while you're moving bikes on and off of it. But we got this one, like Kenan said, to do
2 other Harleys in my garage and a dirt bike.
yeah, the 3 other Harleys.
The third one doesn't need nothing done.
Just fluid.
Yeah.
Travis's needs a fluid change to get ready for the summer. But, well, his will probably go through Harley.
This is through. The new one's through the warranty.
Yeah. But got this one all set up to do other bikes. Just leave that one on that one, so we don't have to bother it. But yeah.
It's gonna be interesting the next few weeks.
And
Waiting on parts.
yeah.
So we're back here. Next day, we're gonna finish off by painting this with the weekend. So, should turn out pretty good. Our first time painting something without a rattle can. So, let's get it.
It's not gonna be anything crazy, just throwing a quick coat down, calling it a day, weekend, whatever. But yeah, we'll get started. We've never used a spray gun to paint before, so we're kind of just playing with it. For now, we're just gonna do the top, and we'll worry about everything on the bottom later on. Just gives us something to put out for you guys while we're waiting on parts again. And then also gets this lift prepped so we can get my personal Harley, Kenan's personal Harley, my dirt bike, Kenan's dirt bike, and our stepdad's bikes on, so we can get ready for summer riding, going out to the dirt bike track and everything. But yeah, keep you guys in for the time lapse as Kenan goes through and practices painting with the air gun. So yeah. Here we go. Done doing the painting the top of the lift here. Like I said earlier, we're gonna do the underside later on. This is just to give you guys something for this week since we don't have any parts to give you guys. As of last week, the audio for the microphone turned off or didn't work or drowned me out or something. But we did show this on last week's. That's a cool addition to the garage here. Make sure it's all hung up. So we're repping our own brand and everything. Got that for Christmas from my grandma. It's amazing, love it. We marked off, what was it last week? The crash bar?
Yeah.
Yeah. Also with the crash bar, we're gonna weld that screw hole shut and then re-drill it just so we can get the proper fitment on it, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. But we'll get that done next week. And then with the fender this week, you can come over here. Gonna try to cut it down through here, squeeze these sides in. If you can see, it has that bump out in the body line or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna cut that out, try to squeeze it in, re-fiberglass it, and see if it'll fit inside the frame so we can get that mounted up. And then Friday, we should have another part coming in too. So we'll have a part reveal hopefully on next week, along with finishing up the crash bar. And then I'm gonna do videos through the week on the fender. And then tomorrow I'll get second coat put on the lift. And then I don't know if we've said it yet or not, but that's to do our dailies, our dirt bikes, quads, hot seas, whatever we need to get up off the ground so we're not killing our backs. Just makes life so much easier. But yeah, catch us next week. As always, everything will be down in the description for website. Oh, on the website, I've noticed that there's no online ordering right now. I'm trying to get that fixed. So as soon as I have that fixed, I'll make sure everybody knows. We're sorry about that.
Reach out to us through Instagram if you do want to order.
Yeah, that would be a good way to reach out if you want to order, is on our Instagram at Rigs and Gears. But yeah, I'm trying to get that finished as soon as possible so people can order online. Or also on the website is our email. You can also email us through that, and we'll get everything taken care of through Venmo or whatever it takes, so you guys can get your gear. I think that's pretty much it for this week. Like and subscribe, share, turn on your bell for your notifications so you don't miss a video. And as we move closer to summer, we are going to have more videos than just the Harley or the project bike. Going to start moving focus on some other things just to give you guys some more content. We're not just Harley builders. We kind of do it all. But yeah, catch you guys next week.